Rakshasa.
Not that bad. I was front row the first time I got on it. You're okay. You're gonna be fine. Oh my God. It's like 5 seconds. It's like 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. It's okay. You're okay. You're okay. It's 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. You're okay. Natalie, you're okay. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Oh my God. 3.
I'm actually gay. I'm gay.
Oh, they're right there. Oh. Yeah, I told you it was 5 seconds. It wasn't that bad. I feel like it hurts more in the front. That wasn't that bad. I just go on American Eagle next.
Oh my God. This one's a little bit more faster. It still gets it over with.
Here's your glasses.